Again, a question which we could have solved with little bit of smart guesswork. So in the book Deshar Katha, so when we read this, we would have not come across Deshar Katha commonly unless we are some optional student. With reference to book Deshar Katha written by Ganesh Dioskar during freedom struggle, which of the following statements are correct? First of all, we do not know who wrote it, but they have given, and we have not heard about the article Deshar Katha. So how is that we could have answered it? Deshar Katha, some Indian has written about it. So what are the options? It warned against the colonial state's hypnotic conquest of mind. Generic thing, an Indian at that point of time who was under the British rule, he would have written something which was negative of British. Makes sense. Look at the second statement. It inspired the performance of Swadeshi street plays and folk songs. Makes sense. Why wouldn't it? Yes, it would promote the Swadeshi folk songs and the street plays. Makes sense, right? Look at the third option. So ille banbudtu, either the answer has to be A or answer has to be D, because we have taken the first two generic things to be correct. Look at third statement. The use of Desh by Dioskar was in specific context in the region of Bengal. What does Desh mean? Desh means the country. And why would any author at that point of time restrict only his analysis to only Bengal? Why not the entire country? It doesn't make sense, right? So that is what they wanted to see. It was related to the entire country because a sense of national consciousness was to be arisen among the people against the British, and that is why these sort of works had been written. So the answer to this question is 2 and 3, and this was just an awareness question which we could have solved even without having a knowledge about this article.